All right, guys, we got Chris's truck here. I think it's 05, 06, 05, 229,000. What are you doing?
Hi, sweeties.
That's Dylan. He's yeah, he's hanging out.
I'm weird.
He's weird. He says he's weird. Let's it's nice outside. Look, it's nice out. I mean, it's a nice freaking day. So we're kind of, kids are out riding their bikes. What a good day. If we could just get Chris's truck done, it'd be an even better day. All right, guys, hang on.
Get up.
Look at that truck, guys. That's Jack's truck. We did that one quite a few years ago. We came back for an oil change. 550. It's a nice truck, boy.
Mom.
Classy.
Mom, when?
Okay, guys, got crank sensor, range performance. Could be from a no start from air, or it could actually be crank sensor. Could be. Got camshaft sensor too. So generally, I mean, both of them, not so much. Oh man, got glow plug 0683, so he probably has no glow plugs. This thing will not start even on an 80-degree day with no glow plugs. And water and fuel. Okay, so cam, crank, and that's just the fuel gauge. As long as we don't have a secondary circuit on fuel, it'll still run. That won't cause it. But no signal on fan clutch too? Damn. Fan clutch or glow plug? Okay, I might have to double check that. We're gonna dig in a little bit more because those got to be related. So give me a minute. It's Friday. Okay, hang on. What are you doing?
I'm locked out, Mom.
He's locked out. He called. Who's your mom? Not me.
Yes, you.
All right, guys, I forgot I was making a freaking video. I just came out here and started looking at it. We do have high pressure oil. No fault on the cam, so it's probably just high pressure oil cranking the engine. We'll throw a cam and crank sensor code. So watch IPR and ICP. We can watch FICM too. It's up there at the top. Here we go. 84, 7, 8, 11, 20. I like to see how much it goes. Oh my God. 28 pounds. That's a big leak. All right, hang on. Well, I mean, it's not just Wix caps. I know I banged on them a lot, but now here is one that's potential IPR. But it might be a plumbing leak, only building 28 pounds. It might be a plumbing leak. But, yeah, got a Wix cap with a high-pressure oil issue. Hopefully it's not an IPR valve. If it's IPR valve, that's I kind of beat on those Wix filters a lot. They don't filter all the oil out, but is this thing studded? Let's see. I'm just kind of, nope, not studded. I wonder if it's deleted. Yep, well, I see a hose and hose clip. Yep, it's deleted. Diesel site. Okay. So, I mean, we're at air test right now. Figure out where it's at. We just did, it's the exact same thing that we just did in there on the red one. So, do it again. All right, guys. I'll make another video on it once we get it in and actually hooked up, because I don't think Chris has seen this before. A lot of these videos, I know they keep running, but it's the same thing over and over again. But most of the time, this is when Chris actually watches the video, you know, I kind of need to explain it over and over again so that but it turns into redundant because I'm repeating crap over and over again. Damn, that's dirty. All right, guys. So we'll continue this in a bit. Have a good day.